Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 3, chapter number 1, real numbers. In this lecture, I am going to explain you one theorem, fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique. Apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. Okay, that means you can what factorize the what composite number, and then factors are what unique. Okay, now try to understand one example. Example, now this is the what composite number given 32,760. Now I will find the prime factors. Okay, now then this method you try to understand. 32760. Now start from what? This is divisible by 2. Start from 2. 2, if you divide by 2, you will get 16380. Then again this is divisible by 2. So if you divide by 2, you will get 8190. Again it is divisible by 2. So divide by 2, you will get 4095. And now at the unit place there is 5. So it is not divisible by 2. So I try by 3. 4, try by 3, 5 like that. So first was 3. Now it is divisible by 3. So if you divide by 3, you will get 1365. Again this is divisible by 3. So 3, you will get 4455. Now this is what at the unit place 5 is there. But this number is not divisible by 3 because sum of all digits is what is not multiple of what 3, and hence it is divisible by 5. So I divide by 5, I will get 91. 91 is again divisible by 7. So 7, and now this 13 is a prime last. It is divisible by 1 only. So all these are prime factors of what this number. Okay, so you can represent this number as a form of prime factor. Okay, and this is what unique. Order may be different. Order is what immaterial. Okay, now then use this method to find LCM and HCF of numbers. So for that I take one example. Find LCM and HCF of 6 and 20. Solution. First you factorize. 6 is equal to 2 into 3, that is 2 raised to 1 into 3 raised to 1. 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5, that is 2 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 1. And therefore HCF is equal to 2 raised to 1, and LCM is equal to 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 1 into 5 raised to 1 is equal to 60. Now this you try to understand. HCF is equal to product of the smallest power of each common prime factor. So here common factor is what? 2 and what? 2, and the smallest power of 2 is 1, and therefore the HCF is equal to 2 raised to 1 means 2. Okay, and LCM is equal to product of the what? Greatest power of each prime factor. Now in this case 2 is factor, 3 is factor, and 5 is factor. and the greatest power of 2 is 2, 3 greatest power is 1, and the what factor 5 greatest power is 1, and therefore LCM is equal to 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 1 into 5 raised to 1. Okay, so 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 1 into 5 raised to 1 is equal to 60. Okay, then HCM into LCM is equal to product of two given number. This also you remember because this is important. Now then we'll solve some example from practice set 1.2. Okay, exercise 1.2. Question number 1. Express each number as a product of its prime factors 140 now is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. So 2 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 1 into 7 raised to 1. 156 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. 2 raised to 2, 3 raised to 1, 13 raised to 1. Then 3825 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17. So this is equal to 3 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 2 into 17 raised to 1. 5005 is equal to 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. So is equal to 5 raised to 1, 7 raised to 1, 11 raised to 1 and 13 raised to 1. 7429 is equal to 17 into 19 into 23. So 17 raised to 1, 19 raised to 1, 23 raised to 1. Now this type of odd number is very important because it is not very easy. You cannot find what divisor very easily. Okay, and for that your table should be good. Then try to understand example number 2. Question number 2. Find the LCM and HCF of 26 and 91. So first you find what prime factors. So 26 is equal to 2 into 13, that is equal to 2 raised to 1 into 13 raised to 1, and 91 is equal to 7 into 13. So 7 raised to 1 into 13 raised to 1. Now here common is 13 and 13 and the lowest power is 1 and hence HCF is equal to 13. And now you know LCM is equal to 2 into 7 into 13. Now highest power of what? All factors. Now here factors are what? 2, 7 and 13 are factor. And highest power is what? 1, 1, 1. And therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 7 into 13. That is 182. Now then you check your result where the LCM into HCM is equal to product of two numbers or not. So LCM into HCF is equal to 182 into 13. So that is equal to 2366. And the product of two number 26 into 91 is also equal to 2366. And hence LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Okay. Example number 2. 510 and 92. These are two numbers given. Find HCF and LCM. Okay. 510 factorize 2 into 25, 2 into 3 into 85, 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. So this is equal to 2 raised to 1 into 3 raised to 1 into 5 raised to 1 into 17 raised to 1. 92 is equal to 2 into 46 is equal to 2 into 2 into 23 and is equal to 2 raised to 2 into 23 raised to 1. And then therefore HCF is equal to, now here only 2 is common and the lowest power is 1 and therefore HCF is equal to 2 raised to 1, that is 2. LCM is equal to, now here the prime factors are 2, 3, 5, 17 and 23. So highest power of what each factor. So LCM is equal to 2 raised to 2, 3 raised to 1, 5 raised to 1, 17 into 17 raised to 1 into 23 raised to 1, and therefore LCM is equal to 23460. Now then check, LCM into HCF is equal to 2 into this 2340 is equal to 46920, and the product of two numbers is equal to 510 into 92 is also equal to 46920. Okay, and therefore LCM into HCF is equal to product of what? Two numbers. Then try to understand third question. 336 and 54. Factorize this. 336 is equal to 2 into 168 is equal to 2 into 2 into 84 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 42 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 21, and therefore, and 21 is again factorized, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, and therefore 336 is equal to 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 1 into 7 raised to 1. Okay. 54, 2 into 27, 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So this is 2 raised to 1 into 3 raised to 3. HCF. So check. Now here common factor is what? 2 and 3. 7 is not there. And therefore the lowest power of 2 is 1. So 2 raised to 1 into 3 raised to 1. So 2 raised to 1 into 3 raised to 1 is equal to 6. 6 is HCF. Then LCM. So highest power of what? All factors. All what? Common factors. So this is what? 2 raised to 4. 3 raised to 3 maximum and 7 raised to 1 is equal to 3024. Now check the result. LCM into HCF is equal to 3024 into 6 gives you 18144, and product of two number 336 into 54 is equal to 18144, and therefore LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So this is what very important property. If product of two numbers are given and LCM is given, you can find what? HCF. Okay, is it clear? Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channels so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.